The smart glasses market has spent the better part of the last decade trying to convince consumers that eyewear can be more than just a passive accessory. Yet most attempts have struggled to escape a familiar cycle of excitement followed by disappointment, largely because the core experience has never fully aligned with how people actually live and move through their day. And this is precisely the context in which Xiaomi's AI smart glasses, also referred to as Xiaomi AI Glasses in certain regions, feel different. Because rather than chasing an ambitious vision of full augmented reality with floating holograms, built-in displays, and sci-fi promises that drain batteries and inflate prices, Xiaomi appears to have stepped back and asked a more grounded question about what smart glasses should realistically do right now. And the answer they arrived at emphasizes comfort, practicality, and wearability above all else, addressing the most common pain points that have held this category back from mass adoption, starting with weight, which has been one of the biggest obstacles for smart glasses becoming an all-day product, as many existing models feel noticeably heavier than standard prescription frames, putting constant pressure on the bridge of the nose and temples, gradually causing discomfort, headaches, and fatigue that make users subconsciously want to take them off after an hour or two, undermining the entire idea of always available smart functionality. Whereas Xiaomi's standard AI glasses weigh just around 40 grams. And even when fitted with prescription lenses, the total weight only rises to roughly 54 grams. A figure that not only undercuts many competing smart glasses, but also rivals or even beats traditional eyewear. And this low weight is not just a number on a spec sheet, but something that becomes immediately noticeable in daily use, as the glasses sit lightly on the face without the front-heavy sensation that plagues camera-equipped frames, thanks to careful internal balancing and frame geometry that distributes mass evenly rather than concentrating it in the front. And this design choice is further reinforced by Xiaomi's decision to optimize the frame shape for Asian facial structures, with a nose bridge that spreads pressure across a wider area, reducing the sharp pressure points that often lead to red marks or soreness after long wear, while still maintaining enough adjustability to fit a wide range of face shapes comfortably, making the glasses feel like something you forget you are wearing rather than a gadget you are constantly aware of. And this philosophy extends to the overall aesthetic as well, where Xiaomi avoids an overtly futuristic or experimental look in favor of a clean, minimal, D-shaped frame that would not look out of place in everyday environments, with optional semi-transparent versions that subtly reveal internal components for those who want a slightly tech-forward appearance without crossing into novelty territory, reinforcing the idea that these are meant to blend into daily life rather than announce themselves as a piece of experimental hardware. And this emphasis on practicality becomes even more apparent when looking at the camera system, which is clearly designed around real-world use cases rather than headline-grabbing specs, featuring a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording video at up to 2K resolution in a 4:3 aspect ratio, a choice that may initially seem unconventional in a landscape dominated by 16:9 and vertical formats, but which actually offers a significant advantage for modern content creators who regularly publish across multiple platforms, because footage captured in 4:3 can later be cropped into 16:9 for YouTube, or 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram Reels without sacrificing too much resolution or requiring awkward reframing, effectively turning a single recording into flexible source material for multiple outputs. And while image stabilization is not cinematic level, it performs well enough for everyday activities such as walking, traveling, cooking, or casual point-of-view recording, delivering footage that feels stable and usable without the need for additional gear, though it does show its limitations during rapid head movements where motion blur becomes more noticeable, a constraint that is less a failure of engineering and more a reflection of the physical limits imposed by small sensors and compact optics. And yet within those constraints, the camera still feels purpose-built rather than compromised, especially when paired with the simplicity of the controls, which are intentionally minimal, allowing users to take a photo with a short press or start recording with a long press, removing the friction of unlocking a phone, opening an app, and navigating menus. And this immediacy is one of the most compelling aspects of smart glasses when done right, because it enables moments that would otherwise be missed. Whether your hands are occupied while shopping, driving, or carrying items, or when pulling out a phone would feel socially awkward or disruptive. And importantly, Xiaomi is transparent about what these glasses are not, making it clear that they are not augmented reality devices, with no displays, no heads-up interface, and no visual overlays, which may disappoint those hoping for futuristic visuals but ultimately helps keep the product focused. Affordable and comfortable, as removing displays eliminates a major source of weight, heat, power consumption, and distraction, allowing the glasses to concentrate on audio, capture, and AI assistance, areas where they can actually deliver consistent value today. And in terms of audio, Xiaomi opts for air conduction open-ear speakers rather than bone conduction, positioning small speakers close to the ears without blocking them, which allows users to remain aware of their surroundings, a critical safety advantage when walking, cycling, or navigating busy environments. And while the audio quality is not on par with dedicated headphones, with limited bass and some sound leakage at higher volumes, it is clear and intelligible for calls, podcasts, navigation prompts, and casual music listening. And the inclusion of dual drivers provides basic stereo separation that enhances immersion, slightly without compromising situational awareness. And this open-ear approach aligns with the broader theme of blending technology into daily life rather than isolating the user from it. And supporting this audio system is a 5-microphone array designed to capture clear voice input for calls and AI interactions across a variety of environments, from quiet indoor spaces to noisier outdoor settings. And here Xiaomi leans heavily on cloud-based AI, processing via a connected smartphone rather than attempting to handle everything on device. A decision that has significant implications for both performance and battery life, as offloading heavy computation helps keep the glasses light, cool, and efficient, even if it introduces a slight delay compared to fully on-device solutions. And through Xiaomi's own Xiao AI voice assistant, users can access hands-free commands for tasks like translation, object recognition, and information queries. And while integration with services like ChatGPT allows for more conversational interactions, the experience is still dependent on network quality and language support, with English performance in particular being inconsistent at times, highlighting that many AI features still feel like they are in an early or beta stage. Useful in specific scenarios such as basic travel translation or identifying signs and objects, but not yet robust enough to replace a phone for complex interactions. And yet, even with these limitations, the AI capabilities add a layer of utility that feels additive rather than gimmicky, especially when combined with solid battery performance, as the glasses offer around 8 to 9 hours of mixed usage, enough to last a typical workday with intermittent audio, AI queries, and light capture, while continuous video recording runs for about 40 to 45 minutes, making it clear that the camera is intended for short clips rather than long-form recording, a design choice that again aligns with realistic use patterns. And charging is made more convenient through an angled cable that allows users to top up the glasses while wearing them, even from a pocket power bank, reducing downtime and reinforcing the idea of continuous wear. And for those willing to pay a bit more, certain versions include electrochromic lenses that can switch between clear and tinted states almost instantly, offering 4 levels of tint controlled via touch, effectively turning the glasses into adaptive sunglasses that respond to changing light conditions without the need to swap frames, adding another layer of everyday practicality. And when all of this is considered alongside the relatively accessible pricing, with the standard version coming in around $280, it becomes clear that Xiaomi's AI glasses are not trying to redefine the future of computing overnight, but instead aim to make smart glasses feel normal, useful, and approachable, and this philosophy becomes even more apparent when directly compared to Ray-Ban Meta glasses, which represent a very different approach to the same category. as Ray-Ban prioritizes style, brand identity, and social usability, maintaining iconic designs like the Wayfarer and Skylar that blend seamlessly into fashion contexts, while Xiaomi leans more heavily into technical functionality and adaptability. And this divergence is evident in everything from lens technology, where Xiaomi's electrochromic lenses offer instant manual control, while Ray-Ban sticks to traditional sunglasses or transition lenses that automatically adjust to light to battery strategies.